things are really hotting up in the shed now, which is actually quite useful because we're going to have a go at Jerry Lee Lewis's famous rock and roll song that he played on the piano called Great Balls of Fire. Now, if you want to find out how it really should be sung, check out Jerry Lee Lewis on YouTube. He's still alive as well. He's a very old man, but he's still alive, and I'm sure he's just as dangerous. Okay, C we're going to be using, F we're going to be using, and G7. Jerry Lee Lewis actually knew Elvis, and they had quite a few adventures together, I hear. Okay, now we're going to also need to check that our ukulele is in tune. So remember that when you hold your ukulele with the orange sticker down, because all those kids that I teach, our ukuleles have got stickers on to start with, so the orange sticker is down towards the ground, top string is G. G is next to me, and it should sound like this: G, C, E, A. Okay, now if it doesn't sound like that, then stop the video, go find someone, hightail it to somebody who can tune your ukulele. G, C, E, A. Okay. Now, this song is a little bit tricky. You're going to have to do your single strums. C, okay? C, like that. I hope you've noticed I've got new cards as well. They're not all like manky and all falling to pieces. Okay, F and G7. So we're going to have to go C. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. So you actually strum, you shake my nerves at the very, very beginning. Ready? And I've slowed this down a little tiny bit for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I laughed at love cause I thought it was funny. You came along and you moved me, honey. I changed my mind, your love is fine. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Whoa, kiss me, honey. Ooh, feels good. Hold me, honey. I wanna love you like a lover should. You're fine, so kind. Tell the world that you're mine, 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 mine. I chew my nails and I twiddle my thumbs. I sure I'm nervous, but it sure is fun. Come on, baby, drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, so at the end you go G, 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 G. Okay, 3 C's. Have a go. D, 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 D. That's it. I said D, but you know what I meant. C, 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 C at the end. And again, C, 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 C. Now, we're going to go a tiny weeny bit faster. If that was too fast for you, just practice it a few times until you can do it that speed. And then when you're really good at doing it that speed, then you can play along with us now at the end. Now, I'm not going to be holding these cards up, you know that. It's time for me to play my ukulele. Because why should you have all the fun? Okay. Okay, make it a bit faster. Ready? Do my 1, 2, 3, 4. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my will, but what a thrilling and goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I loved to love cause I thought it was funny. You came along and you moved me, honey. I changed my mind, your love is fine. Oh, goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Oh, kiss me, baby. Ooh, feels good. Hold me, baby. I wanna love you like a lover should. You're fine, so kind. I wanna tell the world that you're mine, 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 mine. I chew my nails and I twiddle my thumbs. amazing. You broke my world, poured water through, and goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Okay? Now, I actually went back to that first verse in the beginning, which you can do. You can do that, and then you finish on C, 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 C. Okay, good luck with that one. It's cool, remember to check it out on YouTube.